How to mirror iPhone screen to iPad. We prepared this article to give you a complete guide on screen mirroring iPhone to iPad and introduce the best software that can help you mirror iPhone to PC easily. Part 1. How to mirror iPhone to iPad in 4 proven ways. AirPlay. Ensure both iPhone and iPad on same Wi-Fi. Open Control Center on iPhone. Tap AirPlay or screen mirroring. Choose iPad. Wait to mirror. EasyCast. Get EasyCast app from App Store on both devices. Open EasyCast on iPhone and iPad. Ensure they're on the same Wi-Fi. On iPhone, tap Broadcast Screen. On iPad, tap Receive Broadcast. Select iPad name on iPhone. Hit Start Broadcast. App or Mirror. First, download and install App or Mirror on your iPhone and iPad. On your iPhone, open Settings Control Center. Customize controls. Add screen recording. Add screen recording to Control Center. Open App or Mirror on iPhone. Tap M to find your iPad. Then select it. Open Control Center. Pick Record Screen. Choose App or Mirror. Click Start Broadcast to mirror iPhone to iPad. TeamViewer. First, download and launch the TeamViewer on your iPhone and iPad. After opening TeamViewer, you will see a TeamViewer ID for connecting to other devices. Open TeamViewer on the iPad. Enter this ID and select Remote Control. Then your iPhone screen will start showing on the iPad screen. Part 2. Bonus for how to mirror iPhone to PC. Then Screen Mirror is a software specially designed for iPhone and Android. Screen mirroring to PC. It even allows you to control your phone directly from your PC. How to mirror iPhone to PC via Screen Mirror. Get Screen Mirror on PC, launch, and connect iPhone on same Wi-Fi. Choose iOS in app. Open Control Center on iPhone. In iPhone settings, go to Bluetooth to pair with PC. Screen mirrors to PC.